In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain to Shopify. Shopify tips. Shopify tutorial. Start by opening your Shopify admin. If you land on a themes view, use the highlighted link or button you see to get to the main admin area, then head back to home so you're on the dashboard. You may notice the orders section and even a Sidekick conversations panel in the sidebar. Those are part of your admin, but for what we're doing, we'll move straight past them into settings. In settings, choose domains. This is where you manage everything related to your store's web address. If you need a brand new domain, click Buy New Domain. You'll see typical pricing. For example, something like $16 per year for a common extension. Select the option that matches your choice and click Submit to proceed. You can also browse other extensions if you want something like .store or .shop and use Find the perfect domain to search variations until you're happy. If you already own a domain and simply want to point it to Shopify, select Connect Existing. Follow the prompt and click Next to continue through the connection steps. If you see another Next, go ahead and confirm. Shopify will guide you through the verification so the domain can point to your store correctly. If you prefer to move your domain fully into Shopify so billing and management happen in one place, choose Transfer Domain on the Domains page. Enter the domain name you want to bring in and click Next. When prompted, type the transfer or authorization code you obtained from your current domain provider, then click Next again. Shopify will check that everything looks good. On the next screen, you'll see the domain you're transferring listed. Click the domain to review it, and then choose Prepare Domain for Transfer. Shopify will take it from there and let you know if anything else is required. A few helpful notes as you go. When buying a new domain through Shopify, the cost and renewal are handled right inside your admin, which keeps things simple. When connecting an existing domain, any DNS change can take time to update across the internet, so it's normal if it doesn't switch instantly. And when transferring a domain, keep an eye on your email for confirmation messages from your current provider and from Shopify. Approving those helps the process complete smoothly. That's it. Follow these steps, take your time with each prompt, and your domain will be set up in